To add languages to the keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy A37, you need to begin by opening up the Settings app. Then you want to scroll and select General Management. From here, select Samsung Keyboard Settings. Then you want to tap on Languages and Types. Next, select Manage Input Languages. And all you need to do is simply tap on the toggle next to one of the languages available to add it to your keyboard. If you want to download a language pack, simply scroll down until you come to Available Languages, tap on the download button and wait for that language pack to be downloaded. Once downloaded, it will automatically be selected and added to your keyboard. So go ahead and just add all the keyboard languages that you would like. And then once you've done that, you can simply bring up the keyboard on your Galaxy A37 and tap on the language icon, like so. From here, it should allow you to switch between the different keyboard languages, but you can also just long press on it and select the language directly. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.